Transform your online presence by seamlessly linking your Google domain to your Wix website with this simple guide. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Connect Domain option, usually found in the left-hand menu under Domain and Email. Next, open a new tab and log into your Google Domains account here. You'll see a list of your registered domains. Click on the domain you want to connect to your Wix site. Within your Google domain settings, locate the DNS section. You'll need to change the default nameservers to Wix's custom nameservers. Wix will provide you with these specific nameservers. Carefully copy each of Wix's nameserver addresses and paste them into the corresponding fields in your Google Domains DNS settings. Make sure to remove any existing nameservers that are already listed. Once you've entered Wix's nameservers into Google Domains, save your changes back in your Wix dashboard. You should see an update indicating that your domain connection is in progress. This process can take some time, typically between 24 to 72 hours. As the changes propagate across the internet, you'll receive a confirmation email from Wix once your domain is successfully connected. And there you have it. Your Google domain is now connected to your Wix website, giving your business a professional and unified online identity.